In this short video, we delve into a region which was once part of the great Kingdom of Zhangzhung. Zhangzhung was an ancient kingdom which encompassed today's western Tibet, Ladakh and Gilgit areas, and flourished up to AD 634 when it was conquered by Tibet. The kingdom was centered at Kyunglung, which also means Silver Palace of Garuda Valley. Here is Kyunglung, the capital of Zhangzhung. Nearby is Karinbochi, also known as Mount Kailas. We go a bit northwest of Kyunglung. Here in today's Himachal Pradesh, there exists a small valley between the places named Thandi and Tindi. This valley is also known as Pattan Valley, and this place was once part of the Zhangzhung kingdom. Now in this Pattan Valley, an endangered language is spoken by just about 20,000 people known as Manchati or Pattani. It is also known as Lahauli, Shuangla and Changsapabali, and is classified under West Himalayas group of the Sino-Tibetan family of languages. Surprisingly, there exist few words similar with Garo, and I will try to highlight some of them in this video. Now before I start, I want to be clear that this comparison is not being done to indicate or assume that the speakers of the Manchati language are the same people with the Garos or anything like that. Also, similarity in words does not indicate much about origins, but it could serve as an indication to assume that perhaps the communities once lived close by. So in our case, if the Garo migration via Rupkund happens to be true, I have done a video on it earlier, then this might also serve as a clue or testimony in finding Asong Nonoi, which is the lost original homeland of the Garos in Tibet. So let us start a listing. Now we know that a lot of words in Garo are similar to Dimasa and Bodo, but for the next two words, it's totally different. So why is it that some words are much similar to an endangered language spoken by a community over 2,000 kilometers away than to a language we speak with the people who live amongst us? And quite fascinating, the names of the places like Kardang and Tanti are located nearby in our place too. Also, don't you think that these two beliefs are similar? Or perhaps even the same name which you aren't aware?